guys, and we are on our way to Shanghai, China, and this trip is going to be crazy. But before anything else, it's me again, Shajoker Travel and Lifestyle Vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries.
Oo, lagi.
So guys, right now we are here sa NAIA Terminal 1 for our Shanghai tour. So lahat ng gagawin natin, itinerary, we will discuss once nandun na tayo sa Shanghai. So paano ba? To get there, so mag-connecting kami sa Shenzhen via Shenzhen Airlines. So flag carrier ng Shenzhen City yung sasakyan namin, which is the Shenzhen Airline. And then yung Shenzhen Airline, ang maganda niya, may pre-board meals. Tapos mayroon na ring 23 kilo na check-in luggage. So yeah. Tapos so basically ano siya, it's a group tour. So yung visa namin, kailangan namin ma-meet yung mga kasamahan namin because once nadadaan kami sa immigration, kailangan in order yung pagdaan namin in compliance doon sa binigay ng China Immigration. Sorry, China Embassy. So kung anong number ko, kunwari pang 7 ako, dapat pang 7 ako sa pila. So ganoon. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for them.
Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa boarding area. We'll be flying with Shenzhen Airlines today. And honestly, first time ko with this airline. So let's see how it goes.
This will be our in-flight meals. Here, the chicken nuggets. This one is chicken nuggets. So this will be chicken nuggets.
We've just arrived here in Shenzhen. Quick stop lang because this is our connecting flight before heading to Shanghai. Itong Shenzhen Bao'an International Airport is one of the busiest airport in China. Grabe ang futuristic ng vibe here. Super clean at ang haba ng mga walk-alators.
So right now we are here na sa Shenzhen. So dito tayo magta-transfer going to Shanghai. So yun, local flight pero same airline, that will be Shenzhen Airlines. So dito puro self-check-in ka. So kukuha ka ng boarding pass via their automated ticketing machine, and then also kapag mag-check-in ka na luggage, you have options naman to self-check-in yung mga check-in luggages natin. So di ba ang ganda ng Shenzhen. So this is their airport. So our flight will be in about like almost 2 hours. So naghahanap na lang tayo ng ATM machine since after nito wala na tayong dadaanan na immigration because ang labas niya is para tayo nag-local flight, no? So since tapos na tayo sa immigration, pupunta na lang tayo sa boarding gate, pero dahil malapit-lapit na rin naman yung lunch, siguro dito na rin kami mag-lunch muna since mga ano pa naman, tagal-tagal pa yung flight. Kaya tara. So papunta na tayo sa boarding gate. So maganda-ganda rin pala yung airport nila, no? So ang gate number natin will be 329. Sige, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung gaano kalaki yung Shenzhen International Airport. So domestic pa lang to. Ayan ang domestic nila. Laki. So nandito na tayo sa boarding area. Hinahanap na lang natin yung gate number 329. Approximately 20 minutes as per dun sa boarding pass, we will check-in na. So, sakto lang. Hindi naman tayo nakahuli. Alam niyo guys, napansin ko dito, hindi katulad ng Hong Kong at saka ng Zhuhai and Guangzhou, nakalat-kalat yung mga ATM machine. Dito napakahirap because purely they're using Alipay as payment method, no? Pero yun nga, parang naninibago lang ako dahil usually I tend to use Alipay naman but not all the time. Pero here parang yun na talaga yung payment method mechanism nila when it comes to paying for everything, you know. So yeah. Anyway, I hope makahanap kami ng ATM because yeah, we can still use Alipay for now but in some cases kasi kailangan mo rin talaga maglabas ng cash. So yun lang. So, good morning. Thank you. So, saktong boarding na kami. Dito na kami agad sa boarding assignment namin which is sa boarding gate B29. So, ito ang linya. Diba? Ganda. We are now boarding.
Alright guys, we are now inside the plane heading to Shanghai. This flight from Shenzhen is around 2 hours so konting wait na lang. Touchdown Shanghai, China. Finally, nandito na rin tayo.
Finally, we are now here at Shanghai. So, hinintay na lang natin yung mga kagrupo natin and we're going out na since the tour guide is already in the arrival area. So yeah. So right now, ang ground temperature check dito sa Shanghai, it's 22 degrees Celsius. So hindi malamig, it's just that rainy season lang ngayon. So yun lang. Anyway, we're going to find ATM because wala pa rin tayong Chinese yuan. Hopefully may makita tayo mamaya. But if not, wala tayong makita, then we will stick with the Alipay for the meantime. Okay. We're gonna look for our luggage. Since nandun naman din yung luggage. Yun. Okay. Nandun. Luggage claim. Ayan. Dire-diretso lang. Pakalayo ng ng baggage claim area. Ito na lang malamig dito sa airport. As in, ang layo. Pero, tingnan natin dyan kung saan tayo makapag-withdraw. Because, we have no money. We have no yuan. So, yun. Alipay, hindi pa naman ako marunong gumamit. Pero aralin natin. Parang Gcash lang yan. Ito na yung mga luggage namin. Nahanap na namin. We are here. We got our luggage and we're going outside here.
It's raining. We go to the boat cruise the day we come back from Wuxi. Am I clear? But because now is high season, the ticket for the boat cruise is very popular. I want to book the ticket. Yes. Oh, you are the best. The first time.
First stop in Shanghai is the Starbucks Reserve Roastery, Shanghai. Sobrang laki ng place and the vibe is very amazing.
So kakababa lang natin ng bus and we're going to the Starbucks Reserve Shanghai. So let's just follow our tour guide. This is our first agenda for today to visit Starbucks Reserve Shanghai. Medyo rainy lang today but I hope mas maganda yung weather tomorrow. So finally, we are here at Starbucks Reserve in Shanghai. So this is the biggest Starbucks Reserve here sa Asia. So come with me as we tour this biggest Starbucks in Asia. So yeah, let's go. Pagpasok mo, so you'll see this one. It's a platinum, acknowledging the Starbucks Reserve Shanghai as one of the most famous in Asia. No? Tapos, here's their parang front door. Maganda yung interior design niya. So let's go inside. So when you go inside, bubungad sa inyo tong very artistic na interior design. No? Yung kisame, you'll see very prestigious. No? Hindi lang basta-basta ginawa. You'll see the first counter here wherein you can place your order. But heads up lang guys, this Starbucks Reserve Shanghai is not the typical Starbucks natin sa Philippines. Even sa Taiwan and Hong Kong. They call their drinks uniquely. No? So kanina, I ordered a Shanghai Nostalgia wherein ang composition niya is butterscotch. And then, when you go here, you'll see the pwede mga souvenirs na pwede nyo bilhin dito sa Starbucks Reserve Asia, Shanghai. So yan, take note that this is the biggest Starbucks in Asia. So, and also the very famous, no? Because when you go here naman sa side na to, you'll see the pastry. This is where you're going to buy your pastry na nakapack. So kung hindi dine-in, this one is for takeout. Tapos dito rin nila ginagawa yung mga pizza, yung mga croissant. So this is their working area. No? So yung kanina nakita natin is the first counter. So when you go here naman, you'll see the second counter. No? This is the biggest counter here, Starbucks Reserve Shanghai. No? Approximately parang 12 barista ang pwede mag-assist sa'yo dito. But again, we prefer dun sa first counter because nahirapan pa kami mamili ng mga drinks because hindi kami familiar doon sa composition ng mga drinks. Like kunwari yung in-order kong Shanghai Nostalgia. So yun. Tapos, they have a lot of seat here. Tapos when you go here, another spacious place dito sa Starbucks Reserve Shanghai. No? Dito, makikita nyo yung mini factory nila wherein they're showing you how they pack their roasted coffee bean. So yan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung buong mini factory nila. So when you go here, so same part pa rito na second counter. They have second floor pero hindi na tayo pupunta dyan. Siguro kuha na lang ng mga pictures. So yun. So this is the mini factory. So this is where they're going to pack the coffee bean. No? So tapos, as you can see, so this is the beans. No? So ito mga sacks na nakikita nyo, hindi pa yan roasted. So dadaan niya sa process wherein they will roast the coffee bean dun sa requirements na kakailangan nila kung medium or ano nga ba yung mga pag-roasted, I forgot, but yeah, basically yun, mag-roast lang sila dyan ng coffee bean and then they will pack theirs dun sa dulo. So yeah, very recommended to. This is our first itinerary. This is our first place na binisita namin when we arrive here sa Shanghai. So don't forget to visit Starbucks Shanghai and please prepare your budget because this one is hindi para sa mga tight budget because napakamahal talaga ng food dito. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. So I ordered a pesto mushroom pizza. It's a small pizza, yung parang sa Philippines lang, parang 7 inches or 8 inches na pizza. But mantakin mo 600 pesos. So very expensive siya, no? So pero ano rin, worth it pa rin because of the ambience and the taste of the pizza. So yan, don't forget to visit this one and magdami rin pwede puntahan dito. On the other side nitong Starbucks Reserve Shanghai is the Korea community, Korea street food. So if you're longing for some Korean food, you can go across dun sa street. I'll show you. Dun sa street na yon, and then you'll see a lot of Korean food court or restaurant. So yeah. So yeah.
Alright guys, we're heading up to the second floor of the Starbucks Reserve Roastery Shanghai. Sobrang laki ng place, parang coffee museum yung vibe.
This is the second floor. Diba? Parang setup niya parang bar.
Check this out guys, this counter looks like a fancy coffee bar and wow, ang daming pastries. Sobrang tempting, ang ganda ng display dito from the croissant to chocolate tarts, ang perfect talaga para sa mga coffee break. Sobrang classy ng setup and you can really feel the luxe vibe of this place while sipping your drink. Walking beside Starbucks Shanghai, boarding the bus now, and our next destination, secret. Stay tuned for the reveal.
And now we are in Puxi area. And if the weather is good, you will see.
Hello guys, and finally we are here at Nanjing Road. This is the famous spot here in Shanghai. This is the what they call European structure building here in Shanghai. Maganda yung weather ngayon because hindi maulan. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take a pictures. I'll show you kung ano yung mga pictures na makukuha natin dito. So yeah. For now, let's see the structures, no? Parang mga ano siya, no? This one is parang sa New York. Yung parang post office nila doon. Post office. So this one is called Peace Hotel. So this is the Peace Hotel. And then across that hotel is what they call the Swatch Art Peace Hotel. So yeah, tapos mga luxury na mga brands dito sa baba. So yeah, basically napakahaba nito, no? Pero this one is the very famous area or spot here sa Nanjing Road. This street na to. I'll show you around later. Probably we're going to visit the end of the road. Let's see if ano pa yung makikita natin, but as far as the instruction of our tour guide, marami pa makikita doon sa part na yun. So, yeah. We're going to the riverside. So, punta tayo sa riverside. Makikita natin yung Shanghai skyline.
Hello.
Ito na siya. Kita na siya. So, pupunta na lang tayo doon sa riverside. Anong tawag dito? The Pond. The Pond sightseeing platform. Sa Hong Kong, they call it the Avenue of Stars, diba? Yung nakikita mo yung skyline din ng Hong Kong. Pero dito, they call it the Pond platform. Yun na lang. Medyo maganda yung weather. Di mainit because I can't imagine if di maganda yung weather. Tapos maglalakad ka ng ganito kalalayo. It's not advisable, lalo na pagka kasama kang mga bata or senior. Look how stunning the place, oh. Grabe. Ganda. Diba?
因为有看光。
Ayun, no? Ganda, diba? This is the Shanghai skyline. I don't know if what this river called for, pero dalawa daw yung parang river, parang dalawa yung ano, Puxi at saka Pudong. So, yun. Nasa east side yung Pudong, tapos west side naman yung Puxi. Actually, there's a joke behind that. So, let's take some pictures here and punta tayo dun mamaya sa Nanjing Road. Siguro, sagad na natin yung dun. So, dito naman sa kabilang side, matatagpuan yung European side ng Minjiang Road. So, this one is European style. But, as mentioned kanina, may nakita tayong part doon na yung tinatawag nilang Peace Hotel, which is para siyang New York Post Office dito sa Shanghai. Aside from that, na-preserve ng mga Chinese native dito sa Shanghai, itong mga European structure dito sa area na. So, kapag pupunta kayo sa Shanghai, as I've stated a while ago, don't forget to visit this here. Going to the end of Minjiang Road. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, there are different stalls here. This one is parang delicacies. They're selling delicacies here, no? And also souvenirs from Shanghai. No, iba't ibang delicacies and souvenirs. On this side, which I'll show you, another bilihan ng mga pasalubong, delicacies, and then food. So, if you're here sa Ninjang and hindi ka naman maarte sa mga food, try this food na makikita nyo rito. So, di ba? Gabi siya, maganda yung mga features din dito. So, I'll show you kung ano mga dapat yung expect nyo rito.
网红冰淇淋淀粉拌酱呀，红口奶茶、各种奶茶、现榨果汁。
Oh, mga exotic. May exotic pa pala dito. Dito na mga fruits.
好，这边有沙奶水，
Mga desserts.
这个
Parang
奶水小沙奶水。
ice cream. Tapos may mga tables din dito. So, if you are here, you can easily buy some food here and then find a place for you to eat. Okay? So, on this side, mga Chinese noodles. They also have here mga stir fry. Vegetable foods, no? Parang this one is stir fry, pero I don't know kung tofu yun. They also have here mga ito. You're going to choose your mixtures, or you're going to create your own soups dito. Yan part na yan. This one I don't know talaga. Yeah, they don't understand English, so you have to use translate for them to understand you, no? So yan. So basically, that is the overview ng food stall here sa Ninjang Road. Tapos, on the other side, dun sa may pinunta natin mga delicacies, another bilihan ng mga souvenirs. No? There are plenty of stalls here that are selling souvenirs and delicacies. So kalat-kalat yan. Mamimili na lang kayo sa mga kapwa nating traveler at nagbabalak dito na bumili. I cannot answer the question na, sir, makakatawad ba kami dyan? I suspect hindi. No? Pero may sinabi yung aming tour guide na may daw pagdadalan sa amin sa last day na kung saan we can do bargain, and they're selling a lot of authentic na mga branded na damit. So let's see on our last day. That will be on Saturday, no? So yeah, for now ito muna kasi we're running out of time. Medyo nagtagal tayo sa the Bund sightseeing platform kanina because we're taking some pictures dun sa Oriental Tower, and I hope maganda yung mga nakuha kong photos and videos dun. So yeah, balik na tayo.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa Jinling Restaurant. Sa kabilang side lang to na Nanjing Road. This is part of our tour package, so free meal for us. So let's check the food.
Jara ka na missing sumabuso sa Starbucks. Sabi sana daw kung nung candy sa tulad yun. Kasi nagyan ko yun. Ay, binagyan ko yun sa tulad yun na.
Guys, that's it for now, but more fun and surprises are coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and tap that bell. And please comment and share para updated kayo. So that's all for today, guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.